Looking for an extra inch? Try these. Hey everyone, it's Emma. Today we're diving into some amazing fashion hacks for all my petite friends out there. If you're looking to add a few extra inches to your look, you've come to the right place. We're talking about clothes that make your legs look miles long, and honestly, who doesn't want that? So grab your coffee, tea, or like kombucha, whatever, and let's get into it. Okay, so first up we have high-waisted pants. Like, can we just talk about these for a sec? They're seriously a game changer. High-waisted pants make your legs look like they go on for forever. It's like magic, but with fabric. Seriously, if you're petite, you need these in not your dear fendidas in this life. And the best part, high-waisted pants go with everything. You can dress them up with a cute top and heels, or keep it casual with a t-shirt and sneakers. They're so versatile, it's actually kind of ridiculous. Next up, let's talk about vertical stripes. I know, you're probably thinking, Emma, are you serious? Stripes? But trust me on this one. Vertical stripes can actually make you look taller. It's all about tricking the eye. Vertical lines draw the eye up and down, which creates the illusion of length. But here's the key, keep the stripes thin. Thick stripes can actually have the opposite effect and make you look wider. We want long and lean people. Chapter 3. Let's talk about monochrome outfits. This is one of my favorite fashion hacks because it's so easy to do and it always looks chic. Basically, monochrome just means wearing one color from head to toe. It's that simple. But how does it make you look taller? Well, when you wear all one color, it creates a long, unbroken line which makes you look taller and slimmer. It's like magic, but with fashion. Chapter 4. Okay, let's talk shoes. The right shoes can make or break an outfit, and they can definitely make you look taller. My go-tos for a height boost are nude heels. Nude heels basically disappear into your leg, making your legs look longer. It's like magic. Another great option is pointed toe shoes. The pointed toe elongates your leg line, making you look taller and more elegant. Plus, they just look so chic. Chapter 5. Last but not least, let's talk about the importance of a tailored fit. I cannot stress this enough. Well-fitting clothes can make a world of difference. When your clothes fit you properly, they flatter your natural shape and make you look taller and slimmer. On the other hand, baggy clothes can actually make you look shorter and wider. And no one wants that. So next time you're shopping, pay attention to the fit and don't be afraid to get things tailored if needed. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope these tips help you feel more confident and stylish. Remember, you don't have to be told to rock an amazing outfit. It's all about finding what works for you and owning it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion hacks. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. See you next time.